high as a kite.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the LCD dashboard from your 2019/20 Honda CB650R. Parts of this will also apply to the CBR650R, however you may have some difficulty in accessing some of the bolts and so you might have to remove the front fairing. Okay, so the tools you need are a T40 Torx bit. My one is a security bit, but it will still work fine. And also a 5mm Allen key, ideally a shorter one as you'll be in some tight areas with it. Let's get straight in. First, turn off your ignition and head towards your dash. You're going to need to remove this T40 Torx bolt and the other one on the opposite side just here. Undo the bolts and set them aside somewhere safe, and then pull the headlight unit away from the forks and upwards until the whole unit comes free. Note how the headlight is seated on these two pegs. Take care not to yank the cable connected to the back of the headlight and set the unit down carefully. We need to remove the three 5mm Allen bolts from the back of the display located here, here, and here. Relocate the brake cables to get access to the lower left bolt. Pull away the rubber boot covering the connector and unclip the connector. Unscrew the three bolts and set them aside somewhere safe. Then, simply lift out the LCD dash from its frame and you're done. For reinstallation, make sure that the plug is fully clipped into its socket and that the rubber boot is correctly seated around the plastic surrounding the connector. As you can see in this shot, the rubber isn't fully seated. And in this one, you can see that it's correctly fitted. Remember to move the brake cables back to their hanger, otherwise they'll get in the way of the headlight housing when refitting it. Reseat the headlight unit onto the pegs and push it back into place. Screw in the Torx bolts and make sure that the dash unit turns on. As you can see, the time will be reset, so just press and hold the two buttons until the time starts flashing. Left button to change the value, and right button to cycle through the options. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.